We have made it. We are out the door and walking in the walled city of Cartagena. We are Bernard and Weedy. A year ago, we quit our jobs and started traveling full-time. Join us as we scour the world for amazing street food, serving up glamping style, and getting lost in all of the adventures. Here's to sharing those travel secrets and living the off-beaten path. This is Explore As We Go. We got a cab, let's go! Our adventure to Cartagena begins in Santa Marta, where we cab to the Berlinastur station and wait for the bus. From Santa Marta, we head to Barranquilla and finally Cartagena for only 44,000 pesos per person. We just got on our bus, and unfortunately B and I are not sitting together right now. So we are with complete strangers, which is fine because we're going to the same place anyways. The trip should take about 4 hours and a half. So hopefully we can make up some time considering we are leaving about 15 minutes late. It's getting dark now, so I might not be filming as much, but we will see what happens. We made it. We are in Cartagena. We just got off the Berlinastur station and we are looking for a taxi, but a lot of the people don't know where it is for our next hotel. So we tried Ubering and none of the cars are available. So we're gonna try and walk it. It should be about 20 minutes, so we'll see what happens. We picked a boutique hotel and none of the taxi drivers know where it is. We are walking. B and I did not get too far. We literally walked like 4 minutes and then we saw this restaurant that was open that has exactly what we want, which is
fried chicken.
They have fried chicken and grilled chicken. So pollo a la parrilla, which is awesome. You can see the background with all the drinks and everything, and it's literally on the side of the street. So we hope it's good. We'll see what happens. We haven't eaten really anything since breakfast, so we needed to stop like right now.
So relieved. I'm just starving for like 6 hours.
It's a little salty. A hot tip for everybody, ask for less salt or no salt and no oil because they already have seasoned it. This one has a little bit of curry. All right, we finished dinner. We're really happy to get it before we head to the hotel. Now we're walking. It should be about 20 minutes, maybe 25 depending on how fast we're walking to get to the walled city in Cartagena, which is where we're staying. We were gonna take a cab, but we're kind of full, so this is just a nice stroll for us. Keep your fingers crossed we don't get robbed or mugged. This is so cool. We are finally at the walled city in Cartagena, and as you can see behind me, there is like a fort. conditioning inside of here, thank God. Oh my God, I'm so sweaty. We made it though. We made it. And this place looks pretty cool. Good morning. It is our first day in Cartagena and we are staying at Casa Macia. They gave us this cute little menu that has like 8 to 10 different options and we just chose to get some fried egg whites specifically with ham and spicy sauce. Our stay has been pretty pleasant so far. It's a really cute boutique hotel that has only 6 rooms, I believe. After breakfast, we're gonna get ready and start exploring the town of the walled city. So let's go. We have made it. We are out the door and walking in the walled city of Cartagena. And already right outside of our little boutique hotel, it is so beautiful. The streets are so ornate. There are, you know, just decorations, culture, colors, history everywhere.
It feels so romantic to me. It almost feels like it's like a different kind of Cusco city, but
yeah, a little bit.
Without the altitude.
Yeah, yeah. And also it's a completely different temperature, that is for sure.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Let's keep walking. So in the walled city, the streets are super narrow, so there's only room for one car to pass. So I'm thinking each street is one way. It's so beautiful because they have all this like greenery, leaves, and vines that are just hanging. And it is so beautiful because it's completely like integrated with the building. It's just kind of like weaving in and out. You can see it's like literally connected to the structure. So for our afternoon activity, we decided to join the 4 o'clock free walking tour in Cartagena. And we are meeting at this plaza. So we're gonna go check it out and see how this tour is. Alright, we finished our tour and then we headed to this cute little restaurant called
Cuba 1940,
and we're gonna have dinner here. So we ordered some beer and Bernard got a lychee mojito to celebrate our first full day here.
We have been working really hard eating and sticking to our diet for the entire duration of our vacation. So I think we deserve like a day or a night, just like eating whatever we want and like just enjoy ourselves. Yeah.
So the music's pretty loud in here, so hopefully you can hear us, but we're excited to be eating here tonight. I love the live music, it's so beautiful. Fish of the day, fried fish, yucas, fried yucas, and also a Cuban sandwich. It should be super good. So we finished our meal, and I'm a little rosy as you can see. The food was pretty good. The service was good. Unfortunately, a couple of things happened that kind of upset me. One, my chair was getting hit as I was sitting there, which is not cool. So I moved, no problem. And then I had fish, a full fried fish with bones in, And literally, as I was in the midst of deboning, the lights turned off. So I was unable to really eat it well.
It was kind of dangerous, actually.
Yeah, so I just did what I could and then we left. So
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, it's getting late at night. The live band came on and
it's
trying
pretty
to get people in the mood, like get drinks and stuff.
yeah, so
It's a
anyways,
nice
we finished our food and we walked outside. Actually, we're not really outside, but we were in
Get me some money. Get some money.
Get Some Money, which is literally like right across the street from the Walled City. This is still considered it, but it's just like another neighborhood. And there are shops, like a night market. So we're gonna walk around, look at some, you know, knickknacks and see if there's anything that maybe we want to buy. This is really cute. I like it. Let's go.
So after dinner last night, we went to change some money because we passed by a money exchange. After we giving some money, we took our money, we took our receipt, and we thought we left. We had an encounter with two very suspicious girls, I would say. We didn't think much into it until when we came back last night. We realized that all of our money we changed were gone. Needless to say, I think that was the biggest probability that we were being pickpocketed, because there's no way that we would have, like, you know, put his hand into his day bag and accidentally like take something out and drop the money on the floor, because that was so unlikely. So last night we were just kind of shocked that we were pickpocketed right in front of the money exchange, and we lost about $100 US. It was about 300,000 pesos, which is about $100 US. So it's just kind of baffling, because I never thought that we would be victims of pickpocketing or any form of robbery down here, because it's a touristy spot. There were police around. We thought we were really safe in a controlled environment, but apparently not, because after I spoke to Weedy, you know, he said that these girls actually bumped into him, and they were in very close proximity when we changed our money. So I think in some, I don't know, like in a flash, they probably just took all of our cash. And it really sucks, because I never thought that we'll be victims of pickpocketing.